Hello guys, how are you? Let's learn some colors names. Black color, orange color, purple color, violet color, pink color, light pink color, dark blue color, sky blue color. This is yellow color. Today we will learn uppercase alphabets. A, B, C, D. Alphabet A to Z. Let's start. Alphabet A. A for avocado. A for ant. B for butter. B for broccoli. C for car. C for D for dolphin. D for dinosaur. E for eagle. E for eyes. F for family. F for this is which color? Pink color. Blue. G for I for igloo. J for juice. J for jackfruit. K for king. K for cat. L for lemon. L for lion. M for money. Blue color, dark blue color. Our next color is purple. And for nest. O orange. Octopus. Water. R for rose. S for sky. S for scooter. T for train. T for tree. U for Vaseline. W for